Hey mommies, this is the third part of me making this tres leches cake. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. FYI, I do not know how to decorate a cake. This was the first time I decorated this cake. And then the tools I got were from Dollar Tree, so they were not that bad, but I think if I would have had like a nicer set of like decorating tools, maybe the cake would have come out a little bit more better. But you guys see for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this little cake series. Thank you.